Hello everyone and welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to give you a full 1-hour English speaking practice session. Yes, you heard it right. We will talk, ask questions, and answer in English so that you can listen, learn, and speak along with us.
That's right. We will use easy English and cover a variety of everyday topics. This video will help you practice speaking, understand sentence structure, and improve your fluency. So, let's begin and speak together.
Altaf, let's start with a very basic and friendly topic introductions.
Great idea. Ikra, please introduce yourself first.
Sure. My name is Ikra. I'm from Pakistan. I love teaching and helping others learn English. I also enjoy reading books and watching English movies to improve my own language. What about you, Altaf?
Well, my name is Altaf. I'm also from Pakistan, and I've been teaching English for many years. I enjoy making videos and helping people speak English confidently. I like to travel, meet new people, and learn about different cultures.
That's very interesting. Now let's talk about daily routine. Altaf, can you tell us about your daily routine in simple English?
Of course, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I offer my prayer and have breakfast. After that, I check my emails and start working on English lessons or making videos. In the evening, I spend time with my family, and at night, I like to read or watch a documentary. What about you, Ikra?
My routine is similar. I wake up at 7 o'clock. After getting ready, I make breakfast for my family. Then I start teaching online and preparing lessons for my students. I also practice English every day. In the evening, I go for a walk or talk to my friends. At night, I watch some English videos and go to bed at 11.
Very good. Now let's move on to another topic, hobbies. Ikra, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading, listening to English podcasts, and gardening. I love flowers and enjoy taking care of my plants. I also like cooking and trying new recipes. And you?
My hobbies include making videos, editing content, and learning new things online. I also enjoy photography and nature walks. Hobbies are a great way to relax and learn new skills.
Yes, that's true. Now let's ask each other some random questions to make this speaking session more fun. I'll ask you first. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Sometimes I call my friends and practice English with them. Now my turn. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. It's spicy and delicious. I also enjoy Italian pasta. What about your favorite food?
I like Pakistani food, especially karahi and nihari, but I also enjoy burgers and grilled chicken. Next question. What's your favorite English movie?
Hmm, I really like The Pursuit of Happiness. It's emotional and motivational. I learned many good words from that movie. What's yours?
I love Forrest Gump. It's a simple story with a powerful message. Also, the English used in the movie is easy to understand.
Great. Now let's move to a situation-based practice. Let's pretend we are at a restaurant. I'll be the customer and you'll be the waiter. Ready?
Ready? Let's start.
Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here is the menu. What would you like to order?
I would like to have one chicken burger, some fries, and a glass of orange juice.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That's all for now. How long will it take?
It will take around 15 minutes. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Now let's do another role play. This time we're at a job interview. I'll be the interviewer and you are the candidate.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Ikra. I have a degree in English literature. I have been teaching English for the past 3 years. I am passionate about helping people improve their communication skills.
Why do you want this job?
Because I love teaching and I believe your institute provides a great learning environment. I want to contribute to it and grow as a professional.
Very well said. We'll get back to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That was fun. Now let's practice talking about future plans. Ikra, what are your future goals?
My goal is to become an expert English trainer. I also want to write a book on learning English. I dream of starting my own English learning platform one day. What about your goals, Altaf?
I want to grow my YouTube channel and reach more students around the world. I also plan to create an English course that is simple and helpful for everyone, especially beginners.
That's amazing. Now let's quickly practice using can and can't. I'll start. I can speak English fluently.
I can help students speak English with confidence.
I can cook delicious food, but I can't drive a car.
I can edit videos, but I can't sing well.
Nice. These small practices really help. Now let's talk about past experiences. Altaf, tell us about a day you felt very happy.
One day, I received a message from a student who said he got a job because of our English videos. That made me feel proud and happy. What about you?
I once had a student who couldn't speak a full sentence in English. After 3 months, she gave a full presentation confidently. That moment was very special to me.
That's very inspiring. Now, before we end, let's give a short summary of what we've learned in this session.
Sure. Today we practiced speaking English through daily conversations. We covered introductions, daily routines, hobbies, random questions, role plays, future plans, and past experiences.
Exactly. We also used simple sentence structures and useful vocabulary to help learners improve their fluency. If you watch this video again and speak with us, your confidence will grow.
So keep watching, keep practicing, and speak with us again tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on English with Altaf. See you in the next video.